Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi TT bonnet release handle, updated. Disconnect the battery, gather a trim tool, a 7mm socket, and the replacement handle before you start. Remove the lower trim panel carefully to expose the release cable and mounting bolts. Keep track of clips and screws, and work slowly to avoid breaking plastic trim. I'll guide you through each step so you can finish confidently and safely with minimal fuss. Start by prying off the lower trim panel to reach the bonnet release area, using a plastic trim tool to protect finishes. Unscrew the two bolts holding the handle and note the cable routing as you free it from the retaining clip. Test the cable operation before full removal to confirm nothing else is obstructing it. Keep all fasteners organized and examine the old handle for broken tabs that caused failure. Feed the cable through the replacement handle and snap it into the retainer so the mechanism engages correctly. Position the handle and tighten the mounting bolts snugly, taking care not to over-tighten and crack the plastic. Reattach the lower trim panel evenly and reconnect the battery. Test the bonnet release once from inside and once from outside to verify proper operation. If the cable feels stiff, lubricate lightly and recheck alignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.